Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to review the Soul Memo S530 Bluetooth headsets I recently unboxed in another video. So it's been few days and I've been using them. So I thought it's a good time to put a review in. Now, in terms of battery life, so these have been pretty good. So they give me around easily, if I say on a daily basis, per charge basis, 3 to 4 hours of talk time, and a similar or maybe more 5 to 6 hours of music time on top of it before running out of the juice. And what I did was, so usually these comes with this, the headsets come with this cable, and maybe you can put a laptop to charge. But what I did different was I took the mobile phone charger adapter and I used it. So in the manual itself, it says the charging would take around 3 hours, but with this adapter, direct adapter, it takes only near about an hour and 15 minutes or so to get the headsets fully charged. So that is working out pretty well. In terms of quality, the sound quality of these headsets have been very nice, and I like it. Also, I like the style of them. If we talk about the range of it, so when battery is fully charged, this headset works very well within the defined range, which is around 10 meters. As you go down the day and the battery drains out, of course, then you'll see the quality difference. Now, one thing which I mentioned incorrectly in the unboxing video was both of the my understanding earlier was that both of these headsets could work independently, but when I started using it, I found out it's not the case. So the right earphone is the masterpiece, which has got the power button and then on over here volume buttons. Okay, of course these buttons do just a bit more than the power and volume part, but the right one is the master. And this one can work with both, that is in tandem with the other or individually. So this right one is the master one. The left one is a secondary one which can only work with the right one when connected via this cable. Okay, so that's the change over there. Now another good part was that I have two phones, right? So I've got one Samsung S5 and one BlackBerry, which I use on daily basis. Now these headsets I was able to pair them simultaneously to both these phones. So it was very convenient for me that I can answer both my phones using the same headset that is connected, and I don't have to juggle between headsets. So that was very convenient. Right. Now coming on to microphone quality. So microphone is built onto this right earpiece, which is the primary one over here. If you can see, this is a dot. Now what happens is when it goes, because it is obviously hanging on your ear, so the microphone is pretty far, and if you are in a silent room, microphone works very well. However, in my office it's not very silent and a lot of people sitting around and on calls, etc. In those cases, if I have got my headset on the right ear, the microphone does not work that well. So people on the call have said your voice is not coming very strong, it's not audible. So actually in office I have to use both of them in tandem, with left one on my ear and right one plugged to my collar of the shirt so that people can hear me. Right, so microphone is something which I was not impressed with. Second part is maybe my ears are a bit too small, but this particular curve is not adjustable, so it is not something that you can adjust with your ear or for your ear size, or you can fold it. So it hangs a bit loose to my ear, but this is something which is for me, so maybe for your ears it might be fine. Okay, so for me what happens is essentially the headset is hanging through the because it is plugged into my ear, that's where the weight is coming across, right? And it does not take much of a weight over here, right? So this is my review. Let me check if got any other point quickly on this one which I wanted to share, because I did make some notes. No, I think we have covered. Yeah, one one good point that I wanted to mention is in the Samsung headsets, right? If you use volume up or volume down button and do a extended press, it will not change the song for you. This was, I know, way back I had Sony phones and it used to do for me, and I really hated that Samsung won't do. But with this headset, it does that. So volume button, if you press long, right, it will help you to change, go to the next track or the previous track, depending plus or minus. Okay. So that's about it. Hope it helps you to make a choice depending upon what is suitable for you. So long. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share it as well. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. I'll keep on posting more of such stuff. There is already some other stuff which is there on the channel. Thank you. Bye.